Let's use this video as an example. First, drag it onto the timeline. Then go to the stock materials, find the black background, drag and drop it into the timeline as an overlay clip. Next, rotate and adjust the size accordingly to cover the entire screen. Next, go to the video basics, click blend, choose overlay blend mode or soft light blend mode. You can also go to the speed and adjust the duration as needed. Then, move the black overlay layer to the desired position. Next, go to the animation, apply fade in and fade out animation. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.